Tried to do a video on all the new tools that I end up buying. I haven't bought a craftsman tool in I don't know when, but I was at Lowe's yesterday and my old DeWalt sander quit this week, so I found this little thing. It was $40 and it's your standard palm sander or quarter sheet sander, whatever they want to call it, but I like it. Used it quite a bit today. Quiet. Got pretty good dust collection. It's not pouring out everywhere. So I sanded this. Built this blanket ladder. See it. No real vibration. So if you need a good little sander that's not going to break the bank, fits my hand good. This top feels good up here, probably better than my old DeWalt did. It reminds me of the size and everything. It's just pretty much the same. But if you're at Lowe's and you need a sander, I would get this one. Can't beat it.